and natural color skin, not bleaching brown. Yes. And a little bit feminine. You're not giving me feminine. I like my boys feminine.
What about senseless?
I don't think he's feminine. Oh no, not that kind of maga. You know, I like slim, not maga. Him need like cornmeal porridge and stuff. Him very skinny. So no. I think you need cornmeal too, to be honest with you.
Huh?
I think you need cornmeal porridge too.
Oh, Ziggy attack.
Ziggy? I said about the man zoom at the bottom of the barrel. Could never. That's 1,000 years.
Climb.
I them dead, but I drink after my dead.
Oh,
never.
Zozo.
Zozo. In an ugly group too. No, I don't like ugly boys.
Down here.
Nope. Him shape bad. Is it the costume shirt?
Yankee.
Shape real bad. Who?
Yankee.
Oh no, man, I fuck that. Yeah, man, I fuck that. No joke.
You can't set it up here, you know.
And a nice backers. But I fuck that.
All right.
All
right. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just being honest. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
What about Jigs?
Jigs? Ew.
Ew. So tell me all your gippies.
I wouldn't. So this confused you a lot because I'm doing this. I think I have to make a couple dollars in order to pay the bills. So start me to come out now and then. But if I'm gonna come over here live and see order up on a ranking. I'm gonna go down.
Go ahead, tap and go down.
Yeah, okay. I know who Shy Gang. Tough music. Who am I again? Let me see him.
One, nah, man, you irritate me, Jayden.
Tough music, a little bit too mass music. I don't think he's ugly now. But him little more masculine, like, him feel like he don't want to flip flop, like, even though I made him take turns with each other. And I'm gonna get from him. Like, me do him tonight, and him do me tomorrow night. And I'm gonna get from him.
Check your ranking and tell me who that. Like somebody step in our yard, you know. And dog.
I've never seen, me at school, but it's gonna be all the way at 74.
No man, like car house.
Give me a name. I don't see anybody on the ranking right now. Give me a name.
Somebody step in our yard right now with our midnight, man, is it?
No, Trev, don't let Jayden mix you.
What about TJ?
TJ? No, I love Maya. And what I would say that, a pretty girl always need an ugly man. So I respect that about Maya.
Yeah, dog.
Maya.
Yeah.
You're laughing. I would say the same about you also. Because a girl is pretty. And a pretty girl always need an ugly man.
Oh, bright the blood clot. Who ugly? Who?
Oh, this is my opinion.
Who ugly? They must have want to put on my wig too.
You think you can serve like this?
Watch if you look better than most I girl them on Panorama.